Hey, Stephanie from the Doc Squad sharing with you another cool way you can use Google Slides. So what we're doing is we're creating a writing journal using a Google Slide. First, starting in Google Drawing, I'm going to place my cell phone in, and this clip art is really cool, but I want to add some text boxes and some text messaging bubbles to make it really look like the students and I are corresponding between each other. Then once I have that set up, I'm going to go back into a Google Slide, a blank page, and I'm going to start putting in my different prompts. Short answers will look like a cell phone, longer ones like a tablet. And then once I have each of my independent pages created, I'm going to save each one individually as a JPEG. In a clean Google Slide, I'm going to put in each JPEG into the Edit Slide Master and save each of those as an independent layout and place a placeholder so the students can now respond. Super simple. If you like that, please make sure you fill out the feedback form, and then I'll share this template with you and you can use it and modify as you wish. And please subscribe. Thank you.